Yeah, I can't believe that. Like, look, see the corrosion coming off it? Absolutely incredible. G'day and welcome. My name's Jim, and today, well, we've got a busted blinker at the front. Well, it's not busted, it's just not working. And the reason it's not working is because our earths on these, I'm sorry about the sun, the earths on these are corroding for some reason, which is like really weird. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these back and I'm going to resolder them, because I changed all the tail lights in them because they had I'll show you, they had this kind of tail light in there, and now I have taken them out and put these in there instead. So yeah, we'll cut these up, join them up, see what we can do about making this better. Okay, so I'm going to make sure, put our shrink wrap on first, otherwise it ain't going on. So let's do that bit there. Let's put another bit over here as well, a couple of bits, like such. And twist these this way. I'm just going to twist these together like such. There we go. Now works. Now we're just going to put a bit of flux on here like such. See if I can get it hot enough to melt the solder. There we go. Good stuff. I think that's done. Now I am going to put some nail polish over it, because these bastards are all oxidizing. So I'm going to try and get it so there's no air getting on them. Now I'm sure there's plenty of people saying, hey, just some shrink wrap will do that, but I'm just going to absolutely make sure by covering the joint. With nail polish and putting shrink wrap over the top like such. Flame time. Nice. Now put another one over this as well, just to triple make sure. That'll be right. It was still a bit hot, so it got stuck. There it goes. Done. That's one done. Much better. Righto, what else have we got here? We've got this big earth biatch. So I rewired all of these myself. Like, basically rewired the whole fucking car myself. Links in the description. Probably not. Just if you just go into my topics of my, what the fuck are they called? Playlists. Just go into my playlists on rebuilding this car. Quite a bit of me doing the electricals on it. Just fun. What's happened to that one? Just crap. Go again, chuck on my shrink wrap. I don't know if this one's going to go on actually, because this is a very big thick one, so let's do the same. Pull out a big thick one. That's better. Righto, that's got him off. Good stuff. So these bastards won't solder properly, and I do believe it's because they've got oxidation on the wires. So we'll just get some sandpaper here and give it a bit of a hit, bit of a scrape, and see if we can get them shiny again. Once they go shiny, then hopefully the solder will stick to the bastards. That looks a little better. Do the same with these. And this one here. See if there's any chance they will all stuck together. Put there like such. Now, where's our other cable? I haven't scraped the shit out of this one yet. What I might actually do is put a little bit of shrink wrap over these to see if I can hold them together, make them easier to solder. Come on. Ugh. Bloody shaking. Stop it. It's 2. Try the 3rd one now. Yo, get in there, come on. All the way in. All the way in. Get the fuck in there. Right now. That's them all lined up. So let's give them a shrink. Just double check to make sure we have got them perfect. Yep, like such. There we go. It's going to hold them in place now, at least. And our other side here. Go on here. Oh, it's still hot. Excuse pigs. Twist those together. So some flocks. Right, well, we've got that on now that we leant it up against something. Right, you bugger. Now, I'm going to seal this with this. Might have to do a couple of coats. I'll put some in between these cables. Just want to try and stop any bit of air or moisture getting in, because the oxidization and the corrosion is just so fucking bad around here. Don't even live near the ocean, which is what you would expect me to go, oh yeah, the ocean is just there across the road, but no, it's like 50 kilometers away as the crow flies, I think. Well, maybe not quite, maybe 30 odd. also put some in here. Hopefully this won't pop when I shrink it. It's the only trouble if you put a little bit too much on, it will go pop and squirt it all out like a fucking big zit. There we go. Now let's put some shrink wrap over that. Don't have any proper colour ones. Green is gonna be it. Let's just replace this fucking thing too. Where's that one go on to? That one there. We've got plenty of room, so I think we might do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off and I'm going to solder one on instead. Oh, but do I have the... I don't think I have the little things down here. Maybe I'll just take the plastic off this and solder it on. Okay. There we go. That on over there like this. Let's see. Oh, that's right. I want to put some nail polish on this bit too, though. Again, just trying to stop this really bad oxidization and corrosion. Come on, let me get to the other side. Thank you. Jesus. Rightio. Put him there. Hopefully these will shrink up enough. Let's see. this one back on here. Which side? I think it goes that way maybe. And I'm going to make sure that taking some paint off around here for this. Right, let's try this. See if it's going to be any better. Righty-go. See if we can join these together. It's very, very cramped conditions in here. Okey-dokey. Now, something up here so I can solder on it. Ouchie. Put a bit of this on. Hopefully should do a good job of stopping any air or moisture getting in. Paint it all up properly. Stuff. Now, put our shrink wrap over it. Such. One. Put the other one over it now. tight, and that should be, ooh, hot. That should be nice and sealed when that shit dries, for sure. Now, we've got this one here to do. So, side cutters. It's just corroding. You can actually, oh, it's got bits, oh, well, I was going to say, it's got bits actually falling off it. You can see how dark these wires are. So, give them a hit with some sandpaper. Try and take the oxidization off them. Now, bloody back's killing me from fucking leaning in here, that's for sure. Goes on there. This one goes on here. So the place we're going to move into fell through. It was all pretty weird and sus. So now just join these two together here. No, you don't, not yet. Not your turn just yet. Like such. This one here, and we're going to twist them this way together. Oh, here you go. Okay, that's her, and let's see if we can solder. So, put a bit of flux on her. Well, that was a bit too much, but anyway, it happens. Ugh, I'm shaking like shit because I'm hanging this thing right over the edge. I've got no support. Come on. What a pain in the ass. Bit bloody rough, but should be better than what it was. There you go. Nice. So that's right in the middle of that now. Right. Stop it. Right. So hopefully that should be airtight now. Got one more left to do. And that's going to do it for the day, I think. Yeah, I can't believe that. Like, look, see the corrosion coming off it? Absolutely incredible. Right, now back to some sandpaper. Such a pain in the ass to do. Right. And put our shrink wrap on. So this is very cheap Chinese crappy shrink wrappy. That's what it's called, crappy shrink wrappy. Right. Join these three together. Two can have a bit of a marriage right there, and we will give it a quick scrape like such. Cross these over, sort of like tying a shoe, and twist them over this way. Try and do them nice and tight. Right. Whew. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh, the boot lid just fell on my head. Ow. That hurt. For fuck's sake. Some flux. Heater up. Oh, come on. There we go. Now, coat this and this. Could also use hot snot too. Put some hot glue on this, and then once you heat it with the shrink wrap on it, the glue will melt and go everywhere. Might try that with the other side and see which one works better. Probably won't know for 10 years, but one way to do it. Righto. Nice. Nice. There we go. Bitch. Just split. Bugger. Lucky I've got another one here. Like such. There we go. Done. Done like a dinner. Yep. That should be really good. Might just put a little bit of electrical tape around them and go and have some lunch, I think, because I'm absolutely stuffed. Okay, well, there we go. We've got that one done now, and I dare say that does look a sight lot better. We've just got the other side to do yet, which is a bit of a mess, but we'll turn it into that, which is a lot better. So. Alrighty, well, that's it. Unless you want to see me do the other side. You'll be good. Stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao. Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. If you could use a good laugh, then check out my review channel. It's got over 100 hilarious videos on there. Big shout out to my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson, Legend Boys. If you want to be a legend as well, follow the links to Patreon, where members get to speak to me live and get videos sent to you early, as well as knowing you're helping out a creator. But if you're broke like me and still want to help, next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe you hate your neighbours, in which case you could turn it up nice and loud. Oh well, you'll be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Play the music! Techno. Cosmopolitan Rave.